Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So you just insert it in the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you can insert SD card, and here you can insert SIM card. And then you put it back into device, just like this. So yeah. And as you can see, like I have now a mobile internet connection and also notification that SD card detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.